Hey everyone, it's a Festag miracle. The replacement chips I ordered for this controller came in like 2 weeks. The bad news is, this is what they shipped it in. And if you look real close, you can see a whole bunch of bent pins. Hopefully not too much work to get those straightened back out. But first, let's open this up. Take out the one screw and one fake screw that's holding it together here. And get the old chip out. I don't even think this screw's actually attached in there. Now I'm hoping the internet's right on this, but you see this MC1402 chip right here? Apparently not in production, but apparently these ones should be exactly the same, the CD4021BE chip. So yeah, we're gonna find out. And hopefully the magic smoke stays put this time. Gonna take this cable out from here, and this whole piece should just lift off. Maybe we give these a spot of cleaning later at the end, but they look fairly okay. And now we got to desolder all of these. Hopefully this board holder will make our lives a little bit easier. Let's get some flux in these legs first. Then add some leaded solder to this. And now we'll use some solder braid to remove that solder. Now, in case you're wondering why I put solder there just to take it right back off again. Well, first of all, the old solder is old. Gonna be a little bit harder to work with. And chances are it might be non-lead based solder. And this is one of the few times lead is good. Lead is gonna give it a lower melting temperature and let it flow a little bit better. Gonna load up the solder wick with some liquid flux. Pop some more on here and try to soak up as much of this as we can. And now we pull this back and adjust the board holder properly this time. Now I'll blast this whole area here with a hot air gun to get this to fall down. Don't know how susceptible these two pieces here are to hot air, so I'm going to cover this with some Captain tape. We'll pop some fresh flux here and hit this with some hot air now. Had to stop the hot air. It was starting to delaminate the board. I think this board's just a little bit old. Gonna have to do this the old-fashioned way. And the old chip's finally off. Found the best looking replacement chip. Only one wonky leg. That should do it. Let's get this replacement chip on that. Let's get some flux on the contacts and get this chip soldered in. No bridges. Everything feels solid. That's good enough. Let's clean it up. Let's get this board back in the case. And hopefully that's how that cable was routed. Let's clean up the mat. And let's test this controller out. Let's pop in a game. Let's see if this works. Left and right are okay. Up and down are okay. B button works. And A works. So yeah, we actually, stupid game. So yeah, we actually fixed the controller. However, remember this? This is the not so nice NES. And yeah, you might notice that it's currently working without me having to show you a fix on it. Turns out it literally just needed a little bit of cleaning and a brand new 72-pin connector, and it worked. Here's a little bit of footage of me putting that on, but really there's not much to see there. Not gonna waste you guys' time with that. Maybe I'll pop it up for free on Patreon or something if you guys are interested. Let me know. But for now, that's working again. So is this. Thanks for watching.